What's up? I have to tame my hair today. It is in a total mess. Or I should keep it like this. Hi everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to be doing this video. I'll be doing this cat eye makeup look. I put in a lot of time and efforts creating this look and I'm really happy the way it has turned out and I hope you like it too. So if you like it, then please keep on watching this video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. I'm going to do a cat eye makeup look and for that I'm going to first wear my lenses. Now that I have worn my lenses, I'm going to start with my eye makeup and for that I'm going to use the black gel eyeliner. This one is by Maybelline. It is the Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner. I'm going to take the eyeliner brush, swirl it on the product. Next thing, I'm going to draw. I'm going to imagine what my lower lash curvature would look if it was extended. So I'm going to just do a line like this and then I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to draw a V like that. Similarly, I'm going to do it here and don't panic if it goes a little crooked because it's all okay. We're going to clean it. Okay, and then I'm going to close my eyes again and then make a V. I'm then going to take a contour. This one is by Oriflame. It is from their Very Me range. I'm going to take it on a flat blending brush and just gonna put it on my crease and just gonna draw my crease line. It's okay if your gel eyeliner is blending with the powder because that will enhance your look more. So I was already done with my base makeup. I'm going to mention the details of my foundation and concealer in the description bar below, so don't forget to check it out. Now I'm going to take the Kajal and put it in the inside of the V and smudge it. The reason I am using Kajal because it is smudged easily. If your gel eyeliner is good as well to smudge, then go ahead and do it. The reason why I'm using Kajal because I need a nice base for my black eyeshadow so that it stays intact, and also creating a base for your eyeshadow intensifies the color more. I'm going to take it up on my outer crease as well to get a nice smoky effect. The kajal that I'm using is by Nykaa EyemBold Kajal. It is really great and it is totally in budget, so I would suggest you to go blindly for it. So don't forget to blend your outer crease as well because if you're gonna keep it sharp, then the whole point of the look is gone. So make sure that you blend the outer V, that is the upper V of your eye, to create a nice smoky effect. If you see any crooked lines or if you see the wing of your lower V is not in symmetry or it is going a little crooked, then take your beauty blender and a concealer and clean it. The concealer that I'm using is by Miss Claire. I'm just going to wipe it, just going to clean it like this so that my angles look sharp and nice, and I'm going to blend it as well at the same time. Perfect. Now I'm going to apply black eyeshadow on my V, and for that you can use any black eyeshadow. I'm using the Maybelline Nudes palette and I'm just gonna pat it right here. You see, instantly the color pops up. Similarly, I'm going to do it on my other eye as well. And I'm going to take it up to my crease so that I get a really symmetrical looking eye. Once you are done putting black eyeshadow, then you can go ahead with any flesh tone color and put it on the inside corners of your eyes. So the whole point of the cat look is to make your eyes look like this, and that can be achieved when you put light color on the inside of your eyelids, and on the outer corners you go ahead with sharp and dark eyeshadows. For my flesh tone eyelids, I'm going to use the bronzing powder by Body Shop. This is really the nearest shade to my skin, so, and a little bit darker also, a little bit towards the flesh tone also. So you have to find your own flesh color as per your skin tone and create this look. Just going to put it here. And then I will intensify my black color more and put it again on the outer corners. Once I am done, I'm going to again take the gel eyeliner on my fine brush and draw a line on my lower lash line joining this wing. So I'm not going to extend the line, I'm just going to put it on the outer corners of my lower lash line to create that cat eye look. Next, I'm using the Essence Get Lashes Big Mascara. This is again a really good mascara, gives you really nice fluffy looking eyelashes, which I really need at the moment because cat eyes are all about eye structure and lashes. And this is also a budget mascara, so yeah, you can go ahead with this one. Now that I'm done with applying mascara both on my upper as well as lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead with a white kajal. You can go ahead with a nude shade as well and just put it on your waterline. So this will give your eyes a bigger and a wider look. And now I'll be putting on eyelashes. I'll be using these eyelashes. This is something I bought from AliExpress and these have variety of mink eyelashes. I'm going to use this one or this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description bar below. Also, if you purchase it, please keep this thing in mind that it takes hell lot of time to get stuff delivered from AliExpress. It took me 2 months to get this here in Bhopal. So yes, please keep this thing in mind that you have to be really patient. Also, if you're creating this makeup look and you want to go with eyelashes, go for a wing eyelash. Don't go for these eyelashes because this will elongate your eyes and give you a perfect cat eye kind of a structure. So I've just put on eyelashes. Now just in case you feel like tightlining your eyes, then you should go ahead with it. Now that I am done with my cat eye makeup, I'm going to go ahead and contour because to look like a cat, you really need to have a sharp face structure. So if you have a round face and you're creating this look, then I would suggest you to go ahead with a nice sculpted look because that will enhance this look more. And if you're not comfortable with contouring or anything sort of like that, then it's totally not necessary to do it. You can completely skip it. For my contouring, I'm using the same Very Me bronzer by Oriflame. I love how contouring instantly structures your face. Next, I'm going to take blush and for that I'm using the Color Bars Cheek Illusion Blush. This is in the shade called Pink Pinch. Just going to take it and just apply it. I'm going to also contour my nose and for that I am using the bronzer by Body Shop. I hardly contour my nose because I feel my nose doesn't need contouring, but specifically for this look, I feel like getting all my features sharp and structured. I'm going to take it from here, okay? And for my highlighter, I'll be going ahead with Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter in the shade Northern Lights. I have been raving about this highlighter, I don't know, since long. This is a really good highlighter and this will suit all types of skin tones. I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose like that. Now I'll be using the same highlighter and highlight my brow bone as well as the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to slightly extend the highlighter on my lower lash line so that my eyes look wide and awake. For my lips, I'm going to go ahead with the Studiowest lip liner. This is in the shade Misty Mauve. I'm going to line my lip first and then I'll be going ahead with lipstick. So whenever you apply lip liner, make sure that your lip liner is really sharp so that you can go into the corners of your lips and outline them very neatly. And for lipstick, I'm going ahead with this shade by MAC. It is called Meher. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked it. If you liked, then please do not forget and give this a big thumbs up, share and comment, and I hope you did not forget to subscribe to my channel. I make makeup and beauty videos every Tuesday and Thursday. I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye!